In this video I'm going to tell you how to join groups on Roblox mobile. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the roblox.com on your browser. So just tap on it and now tap on continue in browser. So once you enter here, you have to if you want to join the group, then you have to tap on this menu bars. Just tap on it to access. So the list will be open here. So guys, to join the groups, you have to tap on this group options. Just tap on it. So it will open various groups here. There is friends group. If you want to join, you can tap on it. There's our public groups, and some are public, some are private. So if you want to join any of the group, let's suppose I want to join this group, Rumble Studio. To join it, you just have to tap on this join group button. See, if I tap on join group, I have successfully joined the group. But if there is any private group, and so first of all you have to send a request to them, and if they approve your request, then you will be able to join that group. So those groups are public group or private group. And if you want to join the friends group, the friend group will be listed on the top, so you can join any of the group here. So if I tap on it, so there are 67,000 members in this group. So if I tap on join group, so it will join the group successfully. So because since it is a public group, so it won't need a admin permission to join this group. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you understood, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.